Hosting is a part of every website, so I'm going to show you in this video how to deploy a new instance using Vultr, vultr.com. Very easy, very straightforward, so let's go. So I've just clicked the Deploy New Instance button. I'm going to grab this shared server, $250 a month. I'm going to grab Intel High Performance, and I'm going to grab, in this case, I want to do something in the Toronto market. So I'm going to grab Toronto. Then I'm going to grab Marketplace Apps, and I'm going to go into Plesk and select a version, which will be the free version. No need to pay for Plesk. And then I'm going to come down, and I'm just going to choose this one. This one's usually pretty good. I don't need much more than this to run a website without any problems. And I'm going to disable auto backups. Now I'm in Canada, so I'm $6. I think in the US it might be $5. And this one I'm just going to put in the name of the website. So I'm just going to put PM Consulting, and I'm going to deploy that now. And that's it. It's going to take probably a few minutes to fire this up, but it will fire up very shortly. And we'll be able to take a look at that. So we'll just pause here for a second and come right back. Okay, right then, it took about 2 minutes. You can see here it's running. So we're just going to go and click on it. And now we're going to have the IP address, we're going to have the username, and we're going to have the password. Okay. And now typically what we do is we click on the login here, we click advanced, and this is the URL we're going to use to actually start the login process. So I'm just going to put that up the top. I'm going to accept all cookies. I'm going to come back. I'm going to use root, and I'm going to grab the password. So root and the password. So this will be root. Oops, root is all lowercase. And the password. And I'm just going to log in to that. I'm going to say details, proceed. And now I'm just going to, we'll update that admin. I'm just going to call this admin. And I'm going to just put another email address here. And I'm going to put a password here. And I'm going to enter Plesk. So now it's setting up the Plesk server on the instance. So now I'm going to have a website ready to launch, let's say WordPress inside of Plesk. There you go. So that's basically step one, super easy. And from here now we're going to add and connect the domain, the email, and then we're going to connect the WordPress site. So stay tuned.